It's a Bollywood movie. It's a good movie. So he in that alien came out. Okay, so alien has a power. He only get power from the sunlight. He always asks for doop, doop, doop. So like that. Right now I'm the alien. I'm getting the power through the doop only.
How is your
Okay,
response, sir?
concept was very powerful. Very, very, very powerful. I mean, uh, you know, um, uh, like a fire is there. Okay, when you will pour out the petrol in it, what will happen? What will happen? It will have a great blast. Like that, it happened to us. So we had a little strike or fire, but they pour out petrol in us. I mean, it's very powerful. So thank you to all that you allowed me to go. If you will say, sir, no, 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 we are not allowing you any holiday, then what will happen? Then I have to stay here only. But thank you to all. Thank you to God. Okay. So we'll start the chapter. Write the heading, chapter number 16, in your copy. Chapter number 16, angles in a circle, angles in a circle, and cyclic quadrilateral, and cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So right now in this chapter, what we gonna learn? We gonna learn angles in a circle. Okay. We gonna learn angles in a circle. So first of all, we will understand what is central angle. Okay. Now don't write anything. I will give you a time to write. What do you mean by central angle? Okay, central angle means, for example, if I will make a circle here, you see that circle? Okay. Now there is like every circle, like if you make a circle with the help of compass, what will happen? How will you make the circle with the help of compass? Yes, guys. Like putting the needle and then to make a circle, no? Yes or no? Yeah. So when wherever you put the needle, okay, the compass needle, that is become the center. The center of circle, I will tell it as a O. Okay. So the angle which is created in the center, the angle which is created at the center, this is called as center angle. Did you understand, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. Hmm? Center angle is the angle that is created in the center. Oh my God. Did you understand? No. Okay. Okay. So center angle. And you can see that like O, and I will put this name as A, this name as B, and this name as P. Okay. And we learned that APB is an arc. Okay. So APB is an arc. APB is an arc. Did you understand? No. I'll repeat it again. Center angle is the angle which is created in the center, where APB is an arc. Joshua, did you understand? Okay. So I'll write the definition of center angle. The angle which is made in the center of the point. I'll just write it down. Okay, so I'll repeat the definition. The angle made at the center of a circle by a radii at the end points of an arc is called central angle. Do you understand? Yes? Yes or no? Okay. So this is called a central angle. Don't write. I'll tell you. So if you want to find if you want to find length of an arc, length of an arc, length of an arc means, guys, listen. For example, what is the length of this APB? What is the length of this APB? Okay, like if I will measure the distance APB, what is the length? So the formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Theta, what is theta? Where theta is center angle. Okay, pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7 or 3.14. And r, what is r? R is radius. Okay, this is called as r. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you understand, Sam?
Can you explain it again?
Which part, beta? The formula.
Yeah, the form.
See, the length of an arc means this. What is the distance of this APB? What is the length of this APB? So how will you find the length of APB? Theta, the center angle, upon 360 into 2 pi r.
A pi r, sir.
Sorry,
Into A pi r.
2. 2 pi r.
Okay.
Okay. Did you listen, Hannah? Abigail, Joshua, Jehovan. Got it, beta? Okay, now quickly write it down. Quickly write it down. Done, guys. Everyone wrote everything.
One, sir.
Okay, 2 minutes. So Hannah, then what exam? All exam you will give in October?
I was originally planning to do that, but since he switched from science to home science mid-year, and like I have only finished 2 chapters till now. Like everyone is saying,
Hmm.
but I like don't want to simply do it in a hurry. So if as I'm trying to delay it as much as I can, but if I need to in the end, then I will do it in 2 parts.
So
Most
what's your age?
I'm 14.
So this year you will become 15, huh?
Yes.
Okay, okay. That's good. Okay, Joshua. So you will give one shot in October?
So I think so. Yeah.
So what chapter you take? What subjects you take? Like science, maths, and
Science, maths, English, painting and yeah. I'll
Painting you
do.
took.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Don't inspired by me, huh? Picasso, you know Picasso? Picasso. I taught him. Okay. Jawan, you will give one shot?
I think so, sir.
Okay. In October only, na?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So, Sam, what about you?
Giving mine in April, miss.
April, May, na? You will give in April, May. So, what subjects you did? Like science, maths?
I I have science, math, social science, home science, and English.
So, everyone is completed? Like every course?
I'm almost done with most of them.
Okay. Okay. So, now I will erase this. Now, the next topic is no, first we'll do some questions based on that. So, for example, this is a circle, okay, and this is an angle. For example, the angle is 100 degree. Okay, the angle is 100 degree, and the radius is um, 91 centimeter. Not 97, 84. 84 centimeter. So calculate the arc. So if you want to find the arc ABC, length of an arc ABC. So what is the formula? Formula is theta upon 360 into 2 pi r, where theta is equals to 100, r is equals to 84 centimeter. Okay, like that. So now you have to put that into this. It will become 100 upon 360 into 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r is 84. Did you understand, guys? No. Got it? Hmm?
Can you
So
explain
now,
again, sir?
yeah. So basically, I use the formula where theta is equals to 100 because it's a center angle. Okay. And r is the radius, which is 84. And the pi value is 22 by 7. I just put the value into the formulas.
Sir, what's
Okay.
theta again?
Theta is the center angle. The center angle. We just did the center angle. So theta is 100 because 100 is the center angle. Okay. So now you have to solve this. Like this will become 1, this will become 1, this will become 1, this will become 12, this will become 1, this will become 3. Okay. So it will become uh, 10 into 2 into 22 by 3. So it will become 440 by 3. When you will divide it, you will get the length of an arc. Okay?
Also, sir, after the class, can you just give the answer for like the TMA,
Sixth
the
one, na?
last question? Yeah.
Anna, I didn't did the last question, na? The project one.
I don't remember, so I think we did five.
We did 5 questions, na? I didn't give the sixth one, na?
So I didn't get the TMA itself, so I didn't know which questions are there. I was just writing what you had written on the book.
Okay. So who
But
did
sir,
TMF? Yeah.
sir, you told that you'll send one more question in video or something, but
The
you
last
didn't do.
question I will do now after the class and then I will send it to you.
Okay, sir.
But Abigail is not giving exam in April, na? So she did not have to write.
Yeah, I don't have to write.
Only Sam. Sam has to write because he's only preparing for the April. Okay, done? So you simply divide it and then you will get the answer. Okay? Okay. Now, Sam, you just send me the last question na, after this class, the last TMA question which I didn't did. Okay.
Fine, sir. You want me to send
So
it
I
now?
will, if it is possible, like after class you can send. Like at 2-3 minutes break I will give na after the maths class. Then you can send it.
Okay. Okay.
Now, do you want to do one question or shall I move to the next topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you go back? I just want to take a screenshot.
Tell me, you want one more? You want to do one more question? Okay. So Hannah is saying yes. So I will just do because of Hannah only. So do it quickly. क्यों? अभी मारो मैं आके ना बहुत मारूंगा समझो नहीं नहीं how will you do it Abhigil you got the answer or is something is missing
No, sir. I haven't started yet. I'm going to start. I just
okay
understood.
Jahan you got the answer okay 22 units is saying Hannah got confused
No, I got the answer if you're considering theta as 180.
yeah it will be 180 because it's a diameter no then what's your answer Hannah
22. units.
okay I'll take it. 22 Joshua you got the answer see guys it's a diameter no so in that diameter we consider this center angle as 180 yes because diameter is a straight line and a straight line creates 180 degree so it's basically theta upon 360 into 2 pi r so theta is basically 180 by 360 into 2 pi which is what is called pi 22 by 7 into r now you have to simply solve this so it's 22 units good very good Jahoan Abigail did you understand Joshua
Yes, sir.
I got it now.
Sam Sam are you there Sam
Yeah, sir. Okay.
you understood this okay. now now we'll do the next topic which is inscribed angle inscribed angle okay now inscribed angle is basically the angle which is created on the circumference repeat after me with a mute mic the angle which is created on the circumference is called inscribed angle okay so I'll do this for example this is one and like for example this is a chord AB and that AB chord created an angle on the circumference Okay, the angle which is on the circumference is called as inscribed angle. Understood? Yes or no? So here angle BAC, which is also called as alpha, is inscribed angle. Did you understand, guys? No. Hmm? The angle which is subtended by an chord and an arc, the remaining part of the circle is called as inscribed angle. The remaining part is basically the circumference of a circle. Like any angle which is created in the circumference of a circle is called as inscribed angle. Did you understand, guys? No. Did you understand, guys? No. So write it down. अभी तुम लेके आ जाओ ये लेके आओ करो डन गाइस
20 seconds, sir.
Okay, everyone count 19, 16, 12, 10, 6, 4, 0. Okay, done. So we lose.
मुझे क्या बोलोगे स्पेलिंग में लिख देते हैं
काम करो अपना
सर घर पे लिख लो सर घर पे टॉयलेट तो करने दो घर पे लिख लेंगे पता
Okay, done. अभी रुक जाओ बात करते हैं. Okay, now we will learn one theorem. Now the theorem is very important. Okay, I'm reminding it to you again. The theorem is very, very important. Okay. Now that theorem says, so I'll just first write the statement for the theorem. Okay, Abigail, please read the theorem, please.
The angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc is double the angle subtended by it on any point on the remaining part of the circle.
Means, what does this mean? Can you tell me? Like, what you understand by reading this statement?
I didn't understand it, sir.
Good. Very good. That's the spirit I want. Okay. O, A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, for example, this ADBR creates an angle on the center. I'm telling it as a theta. Okay. I'm repeating again. Now, please don't write Hannah. Pens down, pens down, pens down. Yeah. So now, for example, this ADB is an arc which is created at the center as a theta. Okay. So the same ADB arc creates an angle on the circumference, means inscribed angle also. Again, did you understand? The ADB, Sam, please pay attention. The ADBR creates an angle at the center named as theta. The same ADBR creates an angle on the circumference, which is what? Inscribed angle. Like we learned the inscribed angle. Any angle which is created by an arc or an chord in the center on the circumference is called as inscribed angle. Did you understand? No. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay, I am repeating again. This is an ADB and arc. Okay, now ADB arc creates an angle on the center, which is theta, the center angle. Okay, now ADB is an arc. The same arc creates an angle on the circumference. This makes an angle. Okay, so this is called as inscribed angle. Okay, so now what the theorem is saying, the center angle will be twice of the inscribed angle, means center angle will be twice of inscribed angle. Center angle will be twice of inscribed angle. This is what this theorem is saying. Means the center angle, for example, A O B is equals to twice of angle A C B. This is what theorem is saying. That the center angle is, for example, 20. Okay, the center angle is 20. Then this will become
10.
10. If center angle is 100, Sam, if center angle is 100, then this angle will be? Yes, 50. Okay, did you understand, guys? No. Yes? Everyone understood, Joshua? Joshua, if this angle is 75, then this angle will be?
Sir, 35, right?
3500.
36.
37.5. You have to divide it by 2.
37.
Did you understand, guys? But the condition is same arc should be there. For example, if this is a circle, okay, now this arc creates an angle in the circumference, but this arc creates an angle on the circumference. Like this arc creates, like for example, if I write the values, so like this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is O, this is E. So now A and C makes an angle on the center, but B and D makes an angle on the circumference. In this case, this theorem is not applicable. Then did you understand? No. Okay. Same arc or same chord should be there. Then only this angle is applicable. This theorem is applicable. Understood, guys? Yes or no? No. Okay. Now,
Sir,
yes, please.
how will we find the theta? How do we know what theta is?
No, in that theta might be given it to you. We will do questions tomorrow. and we'll do the proof of this theorem also tomorrow. So please remind me. First joining in the class, Abigail, it's your duty to remind me that, sir, we have to do the proof of the theorem. You are just telling us theorem, you are not giving us proof. This is very bad. I am disappointed. Like this, you can say to me. Okay, so you can ask me for the proof of that. Okay, quickly do it. And then we have 3-4 minutes break, and then we'll have a science class. So Abigail, you are joining for the science or you are not joining?
Not
It's
join
what's your
because
not
I
joining
already
now?
did the lesson.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yes, Sam.
Should I send the question in the group or like to your WhatsApp?
In WhatsApp, you can say personal WhatsApp.
Okay.
Okay, so we have 4 minutes break, then we will have science class. Till then, bye Hannah, bye Abigail.
So thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Sam, please send me. I will sending the question right now.
I sent.
Okay. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, guys. Okay, so we will start new chapter in science also. Okay, so what chapter we will start? We will start a new chapter called as metal and non-metal. Are you there, guys? Please pay attention. 8, 9, 9. Jawan, we did work in energy. Is it Jawan? Sam? Sam? I don't know. Joshua?
Yes, I am.
We did work in energy. That chapter. Do this one. Metal and non-metal. Okay, now we'll do this chapter. Chapter number 28, carbon and its compound. Okay. Chapter number 28, carbon and its compound. Everyone take out the chapter, please. Okay, everyone. Are you getting any disturbance from my side? No? Good. Okay, so now the chapter name is carbon and its compound. Okay, carbon and its compound. So now what do you mean by carbon? So anybody has any idea about carbon? What is carbon? Any idea about carbon? Sam, do you have any idea about what is carbon? Hmm? So the gas which you releases after respiration, what that gas is called?
That's carbon dioxide, no, sir.
Carbon dioxide. Yeah. So it means that carbon is a element that is found in carbon dioxide because carbon dioxide is in carbon. Yes. Yes or no? Okay. For example, you are burning a wood. So when you will burn a wood, you observe or not, there is a black smoke is arises from it. Okay. Who played with the burning paper? Who played with the burning paper? Like you burn the paper and then you are playing like that. No? Nobody? Then you're a good student. Because
Yeah,
I
but
always
I
play with
don't
the
think we, I don't think we did burning paper, but sir, in school, like you can take those, you can use that pencil, no, because where the lead, you can write it on a paper and take magnifying glass and you can like directly point it on the lead.
yeah,
So,
yeah. So we played with that. And then then mama played with my like chicks. Okay. After that. So yeah. So what was I'm saying that burning paper, like when you will burn a paper, the ashes will be there. Black ashes will be there. The black ashes is basically the carbon extract. It's basically the carbon thing. Okay, so carbon is present in all the atmosphere, in all the earth. In atmosphere, it's very low amount, which is in the form of carbon dioxide only. But in on earth, it's available at 99.9 something percent was there. 90% or something. But it's like it's a huge amount. Like wood, like the table I'm sitting, it's made up of carbon. Okay. Petroleum has carbon. You're eating a chapati, it has carbon. That's why carbohydrates. Yes? Okay. The fats, junk food. Aha. Oh. Burger, pizza. Wow. Yeah. But it has carbon. Did you understand? So everywhere there is a carbon. So in this chapter, we will learn about only and only about carbon. And as an exam point of view, it's very important chapter. Okay. So in this chapter, we will discuss about the carbon and its allotropes. Now, what do you mean by allotrope? Allotropes is like this is a wood. Right now, it is in the form of stick. Yes. The table I'm using, it is also a wood. But right now, it is a form of table. Yes or no? Same wood is there, but wood we have different shape and size, different strength. Yes or no? So that is called as allotrope. Same compound is there, but because different structure is there, that's why it form a different things. Like diamond. Diamond is very precious. It's made up of carbon. Okay. Did you understand? You know graphite. Graphite is a black porous carbon material. It is also made up of carbon. So carbon is available everywhere in different structure and in different form. That is called as allotropes. Do you understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? No. Jashron, are you there, Jashron? Jashron, are you there? No. So, Jashron, when you will give exam, Jashron?
Next year, sir. We have to register.
Wow. Wow, that's great. That's great. Okay. So now carbon and its property, we learn about the, you can you see that page number 214? Or you want me to do zoom? Huh? You can see? Is it big in your screen?
Yes.
Okay. So in that you can see that table. There is a this is called as basically the periodic table in which all the elements are arranged in the form of atomic number. Okay, please pay attention. Can you find it out where is the carbon in this? Can you find it out where is the carbon in this? What number is this? Can you find it out?
20.
Sorry, 20 is not carbon. 20 is calcium. Ca is for calcium. So where is carbon? Can you tell me?
Sir, is it 55?
55. 55 is cesium. Cs is cesium.
Yes, sir. It's season. It is 6.
Yeah, carbon it has 6. Okay. So it means that what is the atomic number? Because this is arranged in the form of atomic number, na? Guys, are you with me? No. Huh? So carbon, the atomic number is basically 6. So if atomic number is 6, so it means that how many protons are there? Anybody can you tell me, Jehovan?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sorry, Sam.
It has 6,
You mute.
right? Six proton.
Yes, very good. So number of protons will be 6. And how many number of electrons will be there? Can you tell me? It will be same as the number of protons. The number of electrons will also be 6. Did you understand, guys? No. Hmm? Okay. Now, this is the thing that we should learn that carbon has number of proton as 6 and number of electrons is 6. Now, anybody knows about octet rule? Do you know about octet rule? What is octet rule? Anybody?
Octet runes.
Yeah, octet rule. Octopus, not octopus rule. Octet. Yes, Sam. What is octet rule, beta? No idea.
No, ma'am.
Jahuan?
The octet rule is the one that tells if an atom has 8 electrons on its outermost shell, it's stable.
Yes, correct. Okay, so basically, Sam, like for example, the carbon is there. Carbon electrons are six, and I told you before also they arrange themselves in the form of K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. Like this, it's going. Okay, so in K shell, only two electrons can be filled. In K shell, only two electrons can be filled. But in the L shell, how many electrons can be filled? Like two out of six electron, two electrons go in K shell.
What?
So in L shell, four electrons are there. And in M shell and N shell, there is zero electron. So I will not write about that. Understood, guys? Did you understand? Yeah. But now in this case, Sam, the this orbital is not stable. Why not stable? Because of the octet rule. What is octet rule? Octet rule tells us that in the outermost shell. Now in this K and L, what is the outermost shell? L. Okay. So in the outermost shell, the electron should be in the form of 8. If 8 electron is there, then it is following octet rule, then it is very, very stable. If 8 electron is there, then it is following octet rule, then it is very, very stable. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand, Sam? Joshua? Nine? No? Jeshron? Are you there? Did you understand this thing? I can't see you. Joshua, did you understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
octet rule is the rule in which the outermost shell has what? The octet rule is the rule in which the outermost shell has the 8 electrons in their shell. If 8 electrons are there, then it is following the octet rule. Oh my god. Did you understand? Okay. So now in this, what we can learn that this has only 4 electrons. This has only 4 electrons. Now we learn about the ionic bond. So can anybody tell me about ionic bonds? What do you mean by ionic bond? Can you tell me about what is ionic bond?
Ionic bonds where one atom donates electrons to another atom for both to achieve the same.
Yes. Sam, do you know about ionic bonds? Okay. So, Joshua, what is ionic bond? Can you tell it to me again, please?
Sir, I actually don't know what ionic bond is.
Ionic bond is basically, for example, Jehovan came to Joshua. Okay, brother, I need eraser. Okay, so Joshua has two eraser. So what Joshua did, because he is a believer, he gave one eraser to Jehovan. He said, "Put it with you." So it means that something is transferred from Joshua to the Jehovan. Yes. So this is called as ionic bond. So now Jehovan and Joshua are the good friends because they help each
Ma'am.
other. Jehovan needs eraser and Joshua gave that eraser. Did you understand?
Huh?
Yes.
Sir, is covalent bond is when the atoms when the electrons are shared, no, sir?
Yes. When electron is shared. So I'll tell you. So now Jehovan and Jeshurun are the best friends because there's a transfer of eraser. So in the same way, the electrons which is transferred from one atom to the another atom, it's called as transferring of electron, and they form ionic bond. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Okay. But now, what is sharing of electron? In this case, the atom is shared between two atoms. The electrons are shared. So, for example, we take another case. Jawan came to Joshua that, brother, I didn't have any eraser. Can you give me one eraser? So Joshua said, I also have only one eraser. So what we will do, we will share. So that you can also do your work and I can also do my work. Did you understand? So when the sharing of electron came, then it is called as what? Covalent bonding. Did you understand? So now in the case of carbon, in the case of carbon, just give me one second. Okay. So what is I'm saying? That sharing of electron is basically when electrons are shared between two atoms is called as sharing of electron. And when atoms are then when electron is transferred from one atom to the another atom is called as transfer of electron. So now in the case of carbon, if I will tell it to you, here the four electrons are there in the outermost shell. So if somebody gives four electrons to it, okay, then it is getting negativity from outside because electrons are negatively charged and it become anion. Okay, it become anion. So for example, the four electrons somebody gave, then it become 2 comma 8. Now how many electrons are there total? 10 electrons are there. Yes. Now 10 electrons are there. And how many protons are there? 6 protons are there. Now it's a big ratio. Like 6 protons, 6 positive, and carbon has 10 electrons. Like 4 electrons are more. Now, because of that, it will create an instability. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? That carbon cannot take electrons from outside because there is lot of electron is there and less proton is there. It will create instability. It won't live. Did you understand? No. Yes. Sam, Joshua, Jehovan. And if example, the four electrons he donate, if he donate four electrons, so it can create a duet rule. Duet rule. Duet rule is also like a same octet rule. The outermost electron has two electrons, and it's only applicable in K shell. So, for example, it creates two electrons in the outermost shell. Then what will happen? Okay. So, how many electrons are there? Two electrons are there. How many protons are there? How many protons are there? 6 protons are there. So it will also become unstable. It also become unstable. Now what will happen? There will be lot of there is instability. That's why the carbon cannot get 4 electrons or the carbon cannot lose 4 electrons. So it means that the carbon never ever goes to ionic bonds. Carbon goes towards the covalent bond. Covalent bonding means it will share. Jehovah and Jeshon, did you understand? No. Sam, any problem? Joshua? Carbon always goes towards the carbon always goes towards the which property? Covalent bonding. So yeah, can you read this?
Sir,
Yes, yes.
in the atmosphere, does carbon have like a layer, sir? In the atmosphere, like there are like couple of layers of the atmosphere. Does carbon have a layer?
No, no, no. In atmosphere, it
No.
won't. It is not there. But like right now, global warming term is very coming. No, So why global warming is there? Because when there is a lot of carbon dioxide, then there is a basically phenomenon in which the sun rays come into the atmosphere of the earth, it bounces back and it goes to the space. It warms a little. It warms a little. But now what happening that when the sun rays is coming, it bounces back. It's not going into the space because carbon dioxide is trapping that gas. Now, if the rays are not going, it will give a great warmth to the atmosphere. And if it is will give the great warmth to the atmosphere, then there the temperature rises because of that glacier will decrease, glacier will deplete. Okay. And because of that, the earth will be flooded. So it is said that if all the glacier, all the snow will melt now, then even the Mount Everest will be drawn. Like the water level will increases it to the Mount Everest. Did you understand? No. Okay. So can you read this? Carbon is abundant. Sam.
Carbon is abundant in the universe, in sun, planets, and atmosphere of Earth. It is present in carbonate rocks like limestone, dolomite, marble, etc. It's also a major constituent. Teacher, can you zoom in?
Hmm.
Content of fuel, content of fuel such as coal,
Yeah.
petroleum, and natural gases. It is present in the form of compounds in all living organisms. Such compounds are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc. In combination with oxygen, it occurs as carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. You are familiar with these compounds. Our atmosphere also contains some pollutants. How do you say this? Pollutants?
Some pollutants.
Pollutants. Sorry. Pollutants arising from these carbon compounds. In the
So
structure of the
carbon,
carbon,
yeah, carbon compounds are basically they releases a lot of carbon, which is very harmful for our lungs also. It's very harmful. Okay. So that's why policemen on traffic police he always wear a mask. Why? Because the vehicle releases a lot of carbon, and that if it will go into your lungs, it can create a difficulty in the breathing. That's why burning a polythene, burning a paper. That's why I remember that why mom played with my chicks because I was creating a pollution in the environment. And the second reason is I can burn myself also. That is the second reason. But for creating a pollution in the environment can create a problem. Did you understand? Okay. So now, basically, isotopes are there. So isotopes is basically means that isotopes means same atomic number but different mass number. But different mass number. Same atomic number, but different mass number. For example, carbon, you can see that C12, C13, C14, like this. So in this, you can see they have same atomic number as 6, but they have different atomic number, mass number as 12. Like in this is C12. Did you understand? Okay, like in this case, same atomic number as 6, but the mass number is 13. Why it's so? Why it's so? Like I told you, 6 atomic number is there, then the protons will be also be 6. So proton is also 6. Yes? Okay. But it has 6 neutrons. And that 6 plus 6 become 12. Okay. Like in the atom, the middle part is called as nucleus. And in nucleus, proton and neutrons are there. And the addition of protons or neutrons makes a mass number. The addition of protons and neutrons makes the mass number. So in this case, the atomic number is 6, but mass number is 12. Why? Because 6 protons are there and 6 neutrons are there. Did you understand, guys? No. Sam, Joshua? Joshua didn't get anything? Please ask me.
Got it.
Huh? Got it? But now in this case, the atomic number is 6, which is good. But the mass number is 13. Okay, so it means that it will have 6 protons. But how many neutrons will be there? Anybody? How many neutrons will be there?
उधर ज्यादा डालना भर देना थोड़ा थोड़ा
Anybody?
Sir, if it's 6 protons, there'll be 3 neutrons, right?
3 neutrons. If you will add this, how it will become? 9 now. But it has 13 now. If you will add this, then it become 9, but this carbon has 13. Then how many protons, the neutrons will be there? Protons will be same, but neutrons will be 7. Because 6 plus 7 is 13. Did you understand? No. Sam, did you understand the concept? No. If I will talk about this, for example, if I will talk about this. So now in this, if carbon atomic number is 6, then the mass number is 14. So can you tell me, if a proton is basically 6, so how many neutron will be there? Sam, please tell me how many neutrons will be there?
6, sir?
Okay. If 6 and 6, it will come 12.
8,
But
sir.
it's 14 here. 8. So how many neutrons will be there? 8. So basically this is called as isotope, in which the atomic number is same, which is 666, but the mass number is different, which is 12, 13 and 14. Did you understand, guys? No. Did you understand? Please write it down. Please write it down quickly. अभी तो शांति है. Done, guys? Okay. So now okay. So tomorrow we'll do this till allotropes. Okay. So we'll stop here only. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tada bye khair. Tada khair. Sayonara Sam. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.